Rice, a beloved staple in countless cultures, graces our tables with its versatility and comforting familiarity. But beyond its culinary appeal lies a world of nutritional variety, with each type of rice offering a unique set of health benefits. Choosing the right rice can be a delicious way to support your well-being, from boosting fiber intake to managing weight and even protecting your heart. Whether you're a devoted brown rice enthusiast or curious about the intriguing hues of black and red rice, understanding the nutritional nuances of each variety empowers you to make informed choices for a healthier plate. Let's delve into the world of rice and uncover the treasures each grain holds. This journey into the realm of rice is an invitation to explore beyond the familiar and embrace the diversity that nature offers. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds while nourishing your body with the goodness of this ancient grain. Brown rice, with its gently nutty flavor and chewy texture, stands out as a nutritional star in the rice family. Unlike its refined counterpart, white rice, brown rice retains its bran and germ layers, where a wealth of fiber, vitamins and minerals reside. This fiber abundance makes brown rice a top contender for weight management. Fiber promotes a feeling of fullness, preventing overeating and supporting healthy digestion. Moreover, brown rice shines when it comes to blood sugar control. Its fiber content helps regulate the release of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing those dreaded sugar spikes and crashes. This makes it an excellent choice for individuals with type 2 diabetes or those aiming to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Venturing into the realm of wild rice, we encounter a grain that captivates both the palate and the health-conscious foodie. With its earthy flavor and satisfyingly chewy texture, wild rice is a nutritional powerhouse, boasting an impressive array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. What distinguishes wild rice is its remarkable protein content, higher than that of most other rice varieties. This makes it a satisfying and nourishing option for vegetarians and meat eaters alike. Beyond protein, wild rice is brimming with antioxidants, those potent compounds that protect our cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. These antioxidants contribute to overall health and may play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Black rice and red rice, exotic choices with unique health perks. Let's embark on a culinary adventure to explore the more exotic members of the rice family, black rice and red rice. These vibrantly hued grains not only add a touch of elegance to our plates, but also offer a unique set of health benefits. Black rice, often hailed as forbidden rice due to its historical significance, captivates with its deep purple hue and slightly sweet, nutty flavor. This nutritional gem is an abundant source of anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that lend black rice its striking color and contribute to its health protective properties. Red rice, with its reddish-brown hue and mildly nutty taste, is another whole-grain treasure trove. Like black rice, red rice is rich in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which have been linked to improved heart health and a reduced risk of certain cancers. Choosing your rice, factors to consider for optimal benefits. Navigating the world of rice can be a delightful culinary adventure. But with so many varieties to choose from, how do you select the best one for your needs? Consider these factors to make informed choices that align with your health goals and preferences. First and foremost, consider your health priorities. If you're aiming for weight management or improved blood sugar control, brown rice, with its high fiber content, should be your go-to choice. For those seeking a protein boost and a hefty dose of antioxidants, wild rice is an excellent option. Think about how you plan to incorporate rice into your meals. White rice, with its neutral flavor and fluffy texture, serves as a blank canvas for various cuisines. Brown rice's nuttier taste and chewier texture lend themselves well to salads, grain bowls, and stir-fries. Wild rice, with its robust flavor, shines as a side dish or as a base for hearty salads. Embrace variety. A world of rice awaits your exploration. In the tapestry of culinary possibilities, rice stands out as a versatile and nourishing thread, woven into countless dishes across the globe. As we've discovered, the world of rice extends far beyond the familiar white grain, offering a spectrum of colors, flavors, and health benefits to explore. From the fiber-rich goodness of brown rice to the antioxidant power of black rice and red rice, each variety brings its unique strengths to the table. Embrace the diversity that nature offers and experiment with different rice types to discover your favorites. Remember, variety is the spice of life, and incorporating a mix of rice varieties into your diet not only adds excitement to your meals, but also ensures a broader spectrum of nutrients for optimal well-being. So, embark on a culinary adventure, tantalize your taste buds, and nourish your body with the goodness of rice in all its glorious forms.